Ladies and ladies, the fact that you clicked on this video clearly shows that you want to be rich. We've always been told to go to school, get good grades, earn a degree, find a job, and then wait another 5-10 years to become rich. But wait, even if you do get a job, there's a 90% chance you won't become rich. However, becoming rich is pretty easy. You clicked on this video, so you want to be rich, right? In my opinion, there are 3 main reasons people want to be rich. 1. To quit their crappy jobs. 2. To gain status and respect. And 3. To be able to buy whatever they want without asking anyone. Well, if that sounds like you, then you've come to the right place. I'm Miss Wolf, and my job is to give you advice that will help you improve yourself and so much more. So let's get started on this video. Oh wait, before we start, I want to let you know that I'm going to share 4 tips in this video that will help you become a millionaire. And hey, the last tip is the most important one, so make sure you watch the entire video. Step 1. Master a money-making skill. You've probably heard this advice a million times on YouTube, but have you ever wondered why everyone's always talking about high-income skills? It's because they're the fastest and easiest way to get rich. If you're still in college, now's the perfect time to start learning a skill. Think about video editing, writing, finance, sales, or programming. Pick one of these skills, or even a different one, and start learning. There are tons of online resources to help you. So, how can you put this into action? For example, if you're interested in writing, start a personal blog or create a Twitter account and start posting. Or, if you're interested in content creation, start a YouTube channel. Don't waste your time, take action. Step 2. Dive into books. Forget those fluffy cat books if you want to boost your brain power. Instead, pick up books on business and psychology. Reading is the fastest way to get rich because you're absorbing years of financial knowledge in just a few pages. You'll become wealthy in your mind long before your bank account. Starting? Aim for 1 book a month. Just 10 minutes a day before bed can make a huge difference. Here are some books to get you started. The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. Learn how to work less and earn more through lifestyle design. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Understand the common money mistakes people make. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, a comprehensive guide to wealth and online leverage. $100 Million Offers by Alex Rosie, master creating irresistible offers. The $1 Million Weekend by Noah Keegan. Learn how to build an online business step by step. I've read all these books. They're absolute must-reads for anyone aiming to get rich. You'll gain incredible financial wisdom in less than 6 months by reading 1 book a month. You'll be smarter than most business people who take years to learn the same lessons. Alright, listen up. If you're looking to level up your life, the next thing I'd recommend is diving into some awesome videos. And no, I'm not talking about those cringe-worthy try not to laugh clips. Save those for your next family gathering. I'm talking about some serious podcasts that can help you make more cash. So, here are a few gems you should check out. Reprogram Your Mind to Be Rich in 22 Minutes by Alex Rosie, because who doesn't want a money mindset on speed dial? How to Get Rich Without Getting Lucky by Naval, because we all know luck runs out faster than your phone battery. The One-Person Business Model by Dan Cole, perfect for the solo hustlers out there. How Billionaires Think by Sam Ovens, because let's be real, their thoughts must be worth at least $1 million. This isn't fun, but it makes me $2K an hour by Alex Becker, because who said making money can't be a bit of a grind? But hey, don't just sit there passively watching. Get that notebook ready and start jotting down notes. Think of it as your personal treasure map to success. Watch these 5 videos to kick things off, and I promise they'll change the way you think about money. And once you've soaked up all that wisdom, go ahead and explore other fun stuff, like interviews with CEOs and millionaires. Even when I'm at the gym, I sometimes trade in my EDM beats for a podcast, scribbling down ideas between sets like a true multitasker. Seriously, write your ideas down. If you don't, they'll vanish faster than your motivation to work out. One of the best ways to transform your mindset for success is by giving away money. It's like sending a little love note to your subconscious, telling it you deserve good things. Rabbi Daniel Lapin said it perfectly. You have to feel that you deserve good things, or your subconscious might sabotage your efforts. Giving to charity is a great way to convince your subconscious that you're worthy of success. Over the past 5 years, I've given a lot to organizations and even to random people. Once, I met a woman in an Uber who wanted to go back to college but needed over $1,000 for tuition. I just handed it over. Watching her go back to school and set an example for her daughter was priceless. Plus, it fueled my desire to earn even more money so I could give more. When you give money away, you focus on gratitude and abundance. It attracts more money into your life and helps you see yourself as someone who can have wealth. Seriously, giving feels amazing. It sparks a desire to give even more, creating a cycle of generosity and growth. To connect with your future self, the successful, wealthy version of you, you need to tap into 3 levels. Seeing. Imagine your future self. Feeling. Build an emotional connection to that version of you. Knowing. Recognize the impact your generosity has. As Florence Shin said, faith knows that it has already received and acts accordingly. Giving away money helps you shift into that abundant mindset. So go ahead, share some love. Your future self will thank you. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which part was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to watch my next amazing videos. Bye for now.